700 exercise number 7. Ready? All carefully placed and marked footstep. What had been two living rooms had been made into one very large room in the form of the letter L footstep. The room was white and as clean as if it had been in the hands of the painter that very day. Footstep. Everything in the room was clearly a showpiece, something bought at a sale and for which a high price had to be paid. Footstep. The pictures were old masters and the books were beautifully covered. Footstep. The table and all other pieces had been carefully bought one by one as opportunity and money made such buying possible. Footstep. It was such a room as one might expect to find in one of the great houses built in a past age, but no one could possibly expect to see anything of the kind in such a place. Footstep. The room was priceless, for many of the objects could not be found for a second time. Footstep. And so the brothers spent their evenings and weekends among their much loved objects of art and tried to make still more perfect that which was already perfection. Footstep. It was not often, as we have said, that Mr. Wells left his house with neither his brother nor Miss Black in it. Footstep. But on that night he had done so. Footstep. Work had kept him late in the city and his brother had not been well and had gone away to have a small but necessary operation. Footstep. Miss Black had left at 5:30 as usual. Footstep. Mr. Wells read this paper while waiting for the train home, but the train was late in starting as there was some mist in places along the line and it stopped several times before reaching his station. Footstep. He got out and walked towards his home. Footstep. The mist in the air seemed to have a red touch, he thought as he walked on. Footstep. Then he had a feeling of fear, of cold fear, for without doubt something was on fire, something was burning. Footstep. He broke into a run and then he stopped. Footstep. After all, it was not his house that was on fire, his own most beautiful and loved house. Footstep. It was the house immediately behind his. Footstep. But at the moment of his fear, he saw his life clearly for the first time. Footstep. He saw that he had spent his years loving cold and lifeless objects. Footstep.